Here's a comprehensive guide to diet tweaks that can improve your skin, backed by science and real-world results. 1. Load up on antioxidant-rich foods. Antioxidants fight oxidative stress and reduce inflammation, helping to keep your skin clear and youthful. Best sources: berries, spinach, kale, dark chocolate, green tea, bell peppers. Key nutrients: vitamin C, vitamin E, selenium, polyphenol. Why it works: these nutrients protect collagen and elastin, which are essential for firm, smooth skin. 2. Include healthy fats. Good fats help maintain the skin's moisture barrier and reduce inflammation. Best sources: avocados, nuts, especially walnuts, seeds, chia, flax, olive oil, fatty fish, like salmon. A nutrient spotlight: omega-3 fatty acids. Why it works: omega-3s can reduce redness and dryness and may help with acne and psoriasis. 3. Stay hydrated, but go beyond water. Hydration helps skin stay plump and supple. They include water-rich fruits, cucumbers, watermelon, oranges, herbal teas, bone broth. Avoid excess caffeine and alcohol, which can dehydrate the skin. Why it works: skin cells function better when hydrated from within, reducing dullness and flakiness. 4. Cut back on sugar and high glycemic foods. High sugar intake can lead to glycation, a process that damages collagen. Watch out for soda, white bread, pastries, candy, and sugary cereals. Try low glycemic carbs like sweet potatoes, quinoa, and oats. Why it works: stabilizing blood sugar can help reduce breakouts and slow signs of aging. 5. Get enough zinc and selenium. These trace minerals are crucial for skin healing and reducing inflammation. Best sources: eggs, shellfish, pumpkin seeds, Brazil nuts, mushrooms. Why it works: zinc helps control oil production and may reduce acne severity. 6. Reconsider dairy, if acne prone. Dairy, particularly skim milk, may trigger breakouts in some individuals. Alternative options: unsweetened almond, oat, or coconut milk. Why it works: dairy can influence hormones, like IGF-1, which may contribute to acne. 7. Support gut health. Your skin often reflects your gut health. Eat fermented foods, kimchi, yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, prebiotics, onions, garlic, leeks, asparagus. Consider probiotic supplements. Why it works: a balanced gut microbiome reduces inflammation and supports skin clarity. Bonus tips: eat the rainbow. Different colored veggies and fruits offer a variety of skin-supporting nutrients. Moderate alcohol: it dehydrates and depletes skin-friendly vitamins. Don't forget protein. Collagen and elastin are protein-based, your skin needs it. Thank you for watching.